So today, guys, I'm going to be unboxing the moyu WRM 2021. I really wanted this cube because it had purple internals, unlike any other of my cubes, and I've got my brother here because he also really wanted to try it. So let's get into the unboxing, and yeah, let's start. Plastic. Oh my goodness. Why does that always have to be so difficult? Oh, the box has got a weird texture, doesn't it? It's got like a, kind of like a bumpy texture. All right, let's open this. All right, it's done. All right, so accessories box right there. Get that out. No, I keep ripping the box. We all know the accessories box. I would just still do it quickly. Oh, sweet. Is that 2 screwdrivers? What? What is this? There's a lid for the screwdriver. Do you go like that? What? That's so weird. And then we've got these things.
What are these?
I have no clue. I'll find out with this manual. And yeah. I did not even realize this. Pant flips and this thing, I don't know what that is. But Malachi, the case.
Oh.
What's up, guys? It's Benjamin from the future, and here in this case I found out a thing that you can do. So you take off the bottom, there's things in the bottom that you take out, both of these things, these 2 things, and then you put this thing on top. Then there's a circle on top, and you stick in this thing like that, and then you stick in this thing like this, and then you got a little stand. Ta-da! That's so cool. All right, let's open this up. Whoa. Sorry, guys. I'm amazed with little tiny things. All right, here we go. Are you ready for the cube? Oh, more plastic wrap. Ugh. By the way, I got this from Speed Cube Shop. They're not my sponsor for this video. If you're watching a Speed Cube Shop, sponsor me, please. And yeah, Speed Cube Shop is like the best cubing store. Just saying. Whoo, feel that texture. Don't turn it though. Alright, and the cool thing about this, it's got purple internals. For first turns. Oh my goodness, guys. Alright. I'm not gonna lie, it is a little bit sandy out of the box, so I am going to put a little bit of FZ Rush in it. And let's see how it turns. Oh my goodness. You guys do not know how fast this is. Yo. Alright, so my birthday is today, and I had gotten this for my birthday, but not only this, but I'm doing an unboxing. So stay tuned to the channel, because I will be doing that, and yeah. What a mess. See you guys.